Cause we got rain. Yeah, that's what I've been sitting out here doing. It don't feel bad though. It's a little chilly, but it's still 51. It's still 51 degrees. Yeah, it's been raining all day. It's been raining since early this morning, and ever since we went to church this morning. Yeah, I guess it'll be raining all night tonight. I'd like to see the ground dry up a little bit, but we need the rain. I ain't complaining, so ain't nothing bad behind that. Maybe my neighbor's hayfield will start growing here eventually, where they can get the first cutting off of it, and I can sit here and watch him bale it pretty soon. Yeah. We finally got the garage unloaded off the trailer. We just gotta get it put together now. I don't know when that happens. Probably when it gets warmer. But yeah, the rock's moved out now, and it looks pretty good. Minus the back part where I spun around in it, but yeah, I just wanted to make a short one and let y'all know what I was up to. I think I'm going to go back in. This little girl right here is just shivering. I can feel it on my leg. I can feel her on my leg. So I'm gonna go in and watch Netflix, I think. Since there ain't much to do since it's raining and you can't go around back or nothing, so I think the next one spell we get, I'm gonna clean on my lawnmower a little bit. Clean the engine up and stuff, and check the carburetor and make sure everything's alright on it. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna cut this off here. I don't wanna make it too short. Alright, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Talk to you later. And I'll get some video whenever I get outside again. Alright. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.